Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
All cakes, even healthy ones, contain large amounts of concentrated carbohydrates and fat. Carrot cakes from those days tended to have less sugar than they do now, which made them lower in calories. Since they were made with oil instead of butter, they contained very little saturated fat. 27 October 2010.
Let's help you make your mark.
But some desserts, such as Angelfood cake, are naturally less deadly on the calorie and fat scales, so a full-size portion on occasion won't wreak havoc on an otherwise healthy diet. Angelfood cake gets its lift from beaten egg whites. No egg yolks and no butter mean the cake contains no fat. 30 June 2013.
Let's help you make your mark.
Red velvet cake. Unhealthiest. Red velvet cake. Red velvet cake comes in many different variations, but most of the time, artificial food coloring is used in the icing loads on the fat and sugar. It can have anywhere from 250 to 500 calories, so choose wisely. 7 January 2016.
Take our lead.
Unhealthiest. Carrot cake. Cake with vegetables. It must be healthy, right? Not so much. Carrot cake does contain healthy ingredients, such as carrots and nuts, but it is also loaded with fat and sugar. Depending on the size of the cake, your piece could be anywhere between 300 to 600 calories. 7 January 2016.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.